the first thing we'll do is click on the assignment. We'll be brought to the assignment page where you'll see some written instructions right here. And then below, we'll see this interface where we are doing what's actually called a Google assignment, in which you can engage with a Google Drive artifact, in this case a Google Sheet, and then submit that. The first time you complete one of these assignments, you may be prompted to link your Google account to this course so you can properly engage in these assignments. To do so, click on the blue link button. It will have one of these standard pop-ups that we've seen before, and we'll click again on the blue link button. The page automatically refreshed, and now this is what it looks like. We're ready to engage with and submit the assignment. I would recommend clicking on the blue Open to Attach and Submit button, although you can click on right here to access your individualized copy of this Google Sheet. You see that it has my name, Test Student 1, in front of the name of this particular Google Sheet. It will have your name there. But again, I recommend you click on Open to Attach and Submit. A few things to which I want to draw your attention. Below, we'll see a rubric on which we will be assessed for this particular assignment. It shows all the specific criteria and the ratings that we might receive on their completion. In this case, it's just a binary, complete or incomplete. Secondly, again, here is your individualized Google Sheet. Clicking here will open it up. A reminder that this Google Sheet was created specifically for you. It has your name right there, and here is where you will engage with the assignment itself. You can always refer back here to see the checklist of items that are recommended or optional. You can also refer back to this tab to see the rubric to make sure that you're completing all the steps. You'll do your work here, and when you're done, you can simply close this Google Sheet. When you're ready to submit, you can either submit the actual Google Sheet that I created for you to complete for this assignment. If for some reason you have a different Google Sheet that you'd like to submit, perhaps you made a copy earlier in the module and you kind of completed it as we went along, you can also click on Add Files. This will allow you to search your drive for any Google Drive file, maybe a sheet, select it once by clicking, and then press Add to add that sheet to your submission. If you want, you can also create a new sheet from scratch. But when you're done, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on the blue Submit button, and the status of this assignment will go from assigned to turned in. Are you sure? Yes. Your assignment is submitted and ready for your instructor to review. I'm going to close all of this out, and I'm going to go back to my Canvas dashboard to show what it looks like once the teacher grades the work and gives any feedback. When your teacher reviews your work and gives you any feedback, it will show up on your Canvas dashboard here in the Recent Feedback section. You can see right here the name of the assignment, the class for which the assignment was assigned, your score, and any comment that the teacher may have left you. It will show up there, and clicking into the actual course itself, you'll see a notification show up in the Grades tab on the left. Let's click there to see our grade. Here you'll see a list of all assignments with a blue dot next to any new feedback you just received. You can see your score, what the assignment was out of, and on the right you can see two little icons here. The one on the left will show any comment your teacher may have left. Nice job. Please look at the rubric and resubmit to receive full credit. To see the rubric, click on this rubric icon right here. It will reveal the full rubric for this particular assignment, the marks you got, and any descriptions for those marks, so you know exactly how you were assessed and what you might consider doing to improve your marks. To visit the actual assignment itself and to see the actual Google Sheet, this is a little bit confusing. We're going to actually click on the assignment here, and you'll see it actually just gives you this comment that I wrote before on the right with the opportunity to see the rubric again. But you'll actually want to click up here to actually get back to the assignment. Or you can access it again straight from the modules and click there. Here again, you see our familiar Open to Attach and Submit. But now we see that the status of this assignment is graded. You can see your grade. You can see any files you submitted. Overall feedback from Benji. Note that this is a different comment than the one I gave you within Canvas. This one is like within Google. And it has this identical rubric with identical markings here. You can expand to show the actual descriptions. And if you actually click on either this link to the sheet or first this blue button, and then this link to the sheet, we can see that there is a comment that has been left. And we can see that I, as a collaborator, may have made some edits. In this case, I just highlighted one of the cells, or I may have left a comment indicating areas for growth or giving affirming or supporting feedback. So friends, if you want to resubmit, you can do any more edits that you want here, close, and if you're ready to resubmit, just click on the resubmit, and we can continue the process as we continue to learn and grow together.